Welcome to the Funeral Program site, home of the largest selection of DIY templates, printed memorials, and personalized in loving memory keepsake products. In this video, we will share how to make a funeral brochure. Before we get started, please take a moment to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Doing so enables us to continue making valuable content to equip you during a time of loss. A funeral brochure is simply a tri-fold because there are 3 panels and folds on the printed sheet after assembly. This folds to a nice, compact size, which some families prefer. The funeral brochure can be done in 3 sizes of letter, legal, or tabloid. You can create the funeral brochure from scratch or use a pre-made template. If you want to make it from scratch, some work will need to be done prior to entering your information. First, determine the size you want to create. Then get a blank sheet of paper and fold the brochure in thirds. If you need to learn how to fold this type of program, please see our video link above on how to assemble a tri-fold funeral brochure. Once you fold the blank sheet, open and begin measuring the location of each fold line from left to right. Then open the software you want to use and place your ruler line on the folds. You can then proceed to create the text boxes for each of the panels. It is important that you are very familiar with the software prior to starting your layout to avoid or minimize any technical issues that may arise. Setting up a funeral brochure from scratch can be time-consuming. If you'd like to get a jump start on the process, utilizing a funeral brochure template is a better choice. The Funeral Program site offers various sizes of funeral brochure templates for immediate download. We've taken care of the measuring, layout, and background design, so all you need to do is begin entering your text and photos. Our online superstore is fully stocked with DIY templates for funeral brochures as well as other styles. Check out our collection today, only available at thefuneralprogramsite.com.